Welcome, Heather here. I just want to say thank you so much for purchasing the Real Estate Leads Factory Blueprint. I'm super excited to show you how to generate free leads for your real estate business. Look, as a real estate professional myself, I completely understand how difficult it can be to find a consistent lead source and make sure that those leads continue to come in on a regular basis. That's what I love about the Real Estate Leads Factory Blueprint. It's going to show you how to create an automated system that does exactly that. So let's get right to it. I'd like to introduce to you my partner and your instructor through the process. He is the go-to expert for helping businesses of all kinds generate free leads using the systems that you're about to learn. Look, this guy understands this stuff way better than anyone else out there. And that's why I've chosen to partner with him to bring this to your business. So without further ado, I'd like to introduce to you Blake Newbar. And he's going to walk you through this process so that you're going to have the advantage that your competitors wish they had. Once again, thank you so much for purchasing the Real Estate Leads Factory, and I'll see you in the next video.